Audi A1 Sportback. A clear sign of the popularity of the Audi A1 and A1 Sportback is the over 500,000 cars sold since its market launch in 2010. 6 engines, gasoline and diesel, are new or have been intensively further developed. For the first time, Audi is offering completely new 3-cylinder engines, the 1.0 TFSI and the 1.4 TDI. They are efficient without neglecting driving fun. The entry-level engine is the first 3-cylinder gasoline engine in the history of Audi. The Audi A1 1.0 TFSI with 70 kilowatts, 95 horsepower, of power has a combined fuel consumption of just 4.3 liters fuel per 100 kilometers, 54.7 US mpg, 99 grams CO2 per kilometer, 159.3 grams. Another new 3-cylinder diesel in the A1, the 1.4 TDI Ultra with 66 kilowatts, attains a net fuel consumption of 3.4 liters fuel per 100 kilometers. 69.2 US mpg, 89 grams CO2 per kilometer, 143.2 grams, which makes it the first Ultra model in the Audi A1 and Audi A1 Sportback. Both engines exhibit maximum efficiency,